Okay, this question here is very much an optional challenge question. Okay, I'm gonna have a go with it, but be honest. To be honest, it's a very. I think it's a very difficult question myself. So the one will never tell us anything because you've one to any power. We cannot take in any information from that. So we want to go on to the second term, which will be n select 1, which is n, k, x. So we know that nk is minus 20. Now we go on to the third term, which is n select 2, but we want to be writing that out so we can solve it. Okay, so it's going to be n by n minus 1 over 2. That's what that is. And that's given on the bottom of page 20, the definition. That's what your calculator does for you. So n select 2, and you will be taking a plus kx up to the power of 2. So it'll be k squared x squared. And we know that's equal to 180. Now let's separate out the n minus 1 factor and get rid of that because we don't need it. Did I say 180? Yeah. Now, can we use nk? That we know that it's negative 20. We can use it once. So that's nk. I'm distributing. Sorry, I made a mistake. That's n squared minus n times k squared is equal to 360. Now, distributing the k squared, if you like, you can put the k squared here if that will help you. You have k squared n squared minus k squared n equals 360. I don't see that this is walking out for me. Now, nk squared is 400. So this is 400 minus k squared n. I'm still in trouble. Okay, so bringing the k squared n to the right, we have 40. But that's kn times k, and we know kn is negative 40, negative 20. Okay, so k is negative 2. And now I think it's going to walk out for us, but that was a tricky problem. So we're going to say it one more time. Kn or nk is negative 20. And k is negative 2, so n is 10. Now that was one tricky problem. And we're still not there, but we've the backbone broken now. Now we want p from the expansion. 10 select 3 k cubed. That's what p is. Now 10 select 3, 10, 9, 8. I haven't been showing you these as much as I probably should have. That's 3 and that's 4. That's 120. Okay, so you have 120 times minus 8 because of this equals p. Okay, so minus 960 is p. And there's your answers in the box. Negative 210 and 960. Minus 960. Yeah, minus 960. Okay, we're good. Tricky question, challenge question, big time, and don't be put off if you're not able to do